Top 5 weird facts you didn't know about pistol shrimp. Number 5, they're not actually that small. Despite their name, pistol shrimp can grow to be almost 8 inches long. That's about the size of a small dog. I don't know what kind of dog, but it's small. Number 4, they have a symbiotic relationship with other animals. Pistol shrimp often live in the same area as seahorses and will actually clean the seahorse's teeth for them. Number 3, they're surprisingly strong. A single pistol shrimp can flip over a rock that weighs more than it does. No. 2, they're pretty lazy. Pistol shrimp spend most of their time just hanging out in their burrows and only come out when they're ready to hunt. And number 1 is, they're really good at hiding. Pistol shrimp can camouflage themselves to blend in with their surroundings. So there you go. 5 weird facts about pistol shrimp that you probably didn't know. Like and comment if you learned something new today, and subscribe for more fun animal